Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tenny, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you what's on my iPhone. This bad boy over here. So let's get right into the video.
Okay, editing Tenny coming in. I forgot to add, this is an iPhone XR, 64GB of storage. And then I wanted to explain how I organize my phone. So I make it a rule to prioritize functionality over aesthetics, or aesthetics, however you want to pronounce it. So that's just how I organize my phone. Back to the schedule.
Okay, so this is my lock screen. This is Kiko from People in Harmony. Okay, so now this is my home screen. Stop it. This is my home screen. The widgets, the first widget is a Notion widget to my journal. I've not been journaling properly this year, but like this is where I like put in my daily prompts. I have like a prompted journal. It's a new item and the template I made. It's called It's a New Day. So it's like it has prompts like in the morning, I have morning and like night segments. It's like what did you dream about? How are you feeling? 3 things I'm grateful for, and so on. And the first app here is my Google Calendar. Nothing much. The next one is my email. And what's this? Okay, my to-do list app, Tick Tick. I really enjoy using this app. It was really helpful when I was in school. Let me know if you guys want to see like a video about apps that helped me when I was in uni, because I have a lot. But this was just one of those things that kept me organized. So the next one is Good Notes. It's a note-taking app, and here I have my iBooks. I usually have more than this amount of books. I've not been reading recently, but I was trying to get into reading like self-help books and stuff like that. So this is James Clear, Atomic Habits. These my Rhapsody of Reality, Steve-O, and some other books. So the next app is Alarm Me. This is one of also those helpful apps that I used when I was in school. It's an alarm app. It has like problems that you can solve to like keep you awake. Like when I was in school, I used to use the mathematical problem where like I have to solve for it to stop making noise. So it's really helpful. Then this is my Bible app version, and this is my music, Apple Music. I use Apple Music. I don't know Spotify. The app confuses me. To be honest, I feel like it's too. I don't know. I just prefer Apple Music. It's very easy to maneuver, or however you want to put it. But this is like my 2023, what I've been listening to recently. I've been into XG. XG is my new favorite K-pop group. They have like a couple of albums here. This morning I was listening to TXT's album. Okay. What's your favorite song at the moment? Please comment down below. And then this first segment of my home screen is like what I want to see when I wake up first thing in the morning. I didn't put any social media apps here or anything. This other middle widget shows my battery percentage and then time. Then the other widget is like daily verses. It's a smart stack. Then my to-do list, Google, my Google Calendar, then my habits from that my other app, my screen time. Just for today, calm down. And these are like clocks, different time in different countries. So this is a widget that I made and just downloaded the picture and just uploaded it here. It's just one of my favorite quotes from one of my favorite YouTubers. I used to watch her videos a lot. Shameless Maya said, "Don't forget." She always used to say, "Don't forget to be you, do you, and stay true. Be shameless, boo." So I just put it there. Just then I have this application, Muda. It's like a mood tracker. So I just say, today I'm pretty happy, and I can just write a short note of something that made me happy. I just use this to keep track of my mood. I can show you, like, I was more consistent like September last year. I've not really used the app so much, but I used to use this before. Then this is my notes, widgets, calendar. Then I have this app, Routinely. Sometimes, like when I get out of routine, I try to get back on track. I use this app. It's really nice. So the next, what's it called? I can't remember what it's called. But the next page on my screen is like my content creation kind of space. Okay, I quickly wanted to show you guys something. So you know how it's hard to reach the apps on the top half of your phone? I don't know if everybody knows about this except me, but anyways, all you have to do is swipe down from like the bottom of your phone before your dock. I don't know if that's what it's called. You see the little search animation, so just put your thumb there and swipe down from there, and your screen literally drags down. Yeah. This is Filmic Pro that I usually use to film videos on my phone. So basically what this app does is that it changes your iPhone into a digital camera, in the sense that it gives you like way more control over your different settings in your camera, like ISO, shutter speed, focus, and a whole lot. Initially when I purchased this app, because you have to purchase the app, it was 5k, but the latest development is that you have to pay a subscription of 950 weekly to use this, to access this app. And it doesn't make sense to me, but I think they added more features, like now you can film raw, so when you like color grade is way better. I think there are a lot of new features, but to me, like I paid for this app, why all of a sudden subscription? But anyways, this is just me ranting. Back to the schedule. The next app is Lens Body. This is a very underrated app. This is an app that like has timer, and then you can play around with the camera, portraits. You can take pictures by yourself basically. Now it's counting like 5 seconds. And like you can pick how many pictures you want to be taken, like, and the interval of time. It's really nice app. Next one is Google Drive, my camera, Fonto. This Fonto, I use it to edit thumbnails and like make a vision board or something. I want to edit pictures, I use Fonto. Then I use Lightroom for like color correction mostly. Like these pictures, I edited them on. I edit most of my pictures on Lightroom. Okay, the next app is PixArt. I used to use this app a lot. I don't use it as of now. And then there's Airbrush, there's YouTube Studio. I haven't opened this in a very long time. It just shows you your subscriber count, your watch time, your views. I've not even uploaded on YouTube in years, so it looks really scary, but it's fine. Then in this folder I have my photos. Snow is also an editing app with like multiple filters. I really don't use it that often, but like it has some really nice filters. The next app is Google AdSense. Pretty cool. It has like all this cool like filters, like all those 90s VS. Very cool filters are here, but there's some you have to pay for. I just use the free one. You can see all these cool filters. Anyways, then my two video editing apps I've used recently is CapCut and VN. And I have Facetune. Here I have my YouTube tracker. I have my YouTube. I've been watching, like, recently I've been into a lot of vlogs. I've been into Hayley's Corner. I used to watch her when she wasn't married yet, I think, but then I stopped, and then I recently got back to watching her videos. They're so nice. Okay, the widget on the upper left is a mood board I made of Pinterest. So it's a Pinterest widget, small widget. It changes. I had a setting for it to change hourly, so like it changes every hour. It's just a way of reminding myself. My mood board is kind of like my vision board. Or I also have a vision board, but like things that inspire me and like I want to think about. So I just like to display them here. And then I also have a pin that I have a lot of quotes. So I made a widget, a small Pinterest widget, and then used that quote pin. So it like changes every day. It shows me a new quote every day from like my pins. Today's quote is everything is temporary, people, thoughts, and moments. Think about that. Okay, the next widget is the Notion widget. Is my content creation, like where I store my ideas, brain dump. Like I've been why can't I speak? Brain dump a lot of my ideas and then organize, schedule things. If you want to see that, I can do it in another video. Then I have this last home screen where I have like, you know, all the apps that I should not be seeing so frequently. I have Fiverr, Skillshare, Snapchat. I use Snapchat a lot nowadays. This is what I posted, just my new tips. So then my Instagram. I've not posted on Instagram in a very long time. This year, I've not posted on Instagram this year. Crazy. She just posted really nice. Anyways, this is my Instagram. I'm trying to post more often, but that's all. Then I have my Pinterest. I really love Pinterest. It inspires me a lot, and you know, gives me new ways to spend my money. But anyways, it's fine. So like recently, you can see all the nails inspo, house inspo. I just have a bunch of things. I have a lot of pins. If you want to follow me on my Pinterest, I'll put it up here. And the next app is Twitter. I really don't use Twitter. TikTok. This is what is finishing my day. So sorry about that. So my TikTok have been making me feel like these days, you know, I want to be a dancer or something, but I never dance and post on TikTok. I don't really post my TikTok, but I'm going to put it up here. I've not posted in a very long time, but I'm going to put it up here. Then Clue is a period tracking app. But recently I saw that the Apple Health app also has period tracking added to it. So I'm kind of trying to move over to the app, but like they are not as specific as the Clue app, so I'm still like wandering around playing with it. So in this folder I just have a bunch of miscellaneous things. Notes, clock, Notion, Grammarly. I have a Grammarly keyboard. Then my Waze is a map. really nice with direction, and like shows you where traffic is, where there's jams and stuff like that. And I have Zenda, VLC. If I download movies I want to watch, I use VLC. And these are my banking apps. I should probably add this here. Then here I have shopping apps. Then Y link is for my MiFi. Then Bolt app is for transportation. The app, health app. Then these are just a bunch of apps. I really don't use everything here, but like Netflix, High TV, I watch K-dramas there. Viki, Rakuten, I watch K-dramas there. Weavers for my K-pop needs. And I have Zoom and Google Photos. That's all for like my different screens. Then in the middle, I just put a widget that like shuffles pictures. This is my dog. She was so small, now she's so big. And on my lower bar, this is my phone. This is FaceTime. This is my WhatsApp. And then this is my messaging. Okay, so I totally forgot about settings, but anyways, my notification, I turned off all the badges because I hate the look of the badge staring at me, you know, red with a lot of numbers. This is how you turn it off. And then for my sound, I have a video on TikTok on how to customize your ringtone. I currently am using Any Song by Zuko as my ringtone. Okay, my text tone, I use the Kim Possible text tone. I've recently been thinking about Kim Possible. And then yeah, so and I think I watched Maya's video and then she also talked about it, so I just changed my text tone, makes it more fun. Yeah, then my control center. This is all I have on my control center. Yeah, that's it for settings. I totally forgot about focus, but we continue. So it's all for what's on my iPhone. That's all that's on my iPhone. If you want to see how I customize my screen and stuff like that, I uploaded a TikTok. You can watch it if you want to know how to customize. But it's not that hard. And I just really like the setup. So don't forget to like if you like the video, like it. And also subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers and I'm going to be uploading more frequently now. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye. Hi guys, welcome and hi guys. This video I'm going to be showing you what's on my iPhone. So let's get into it.